I came to Orlando for Halloween Horror Nights and found myself with a few extra hours to spare. I decided to go to SeaWorld and see how well the new Insta360 Ultra does on roller coasters, and here's how it went. All footage was recorded on the 360 with no external microphone. We're gonna try and get on Penguin Track. I've actually never been on Penguin Track before. Last time I was here, it was about an hour wait for it. There we are. Looks like everyone's having a good time on Penguin Track. So let's go over to it. And hopefully the wait's not too long. It's a family coaster, but it looks much larger than that. Let's try to get a front row on it. There it is, Penguin Track. Whoa, this is pretty sweet. Thank you.
The second door will open shortly.
Ooh, it is cold in here. Wow. You really get up close and personal with these penguins. Oh my God. Hi. What's up, little dudes? I've never been this close to a penguin before in my life. You can see them swimming down here. It is like 5 freaking degrees in here, man. Look at all these penguins. They are everywhere. Ooh, oh, there's underwater viewing. Oh, that's a big penguin right there. Let's go up these. That wasn't Penguin Track. Looks like we're back outside. However, penguins. So apparently I went to the wrong line. I just went to the exhibit instead of the actual line for Penguin Track. So we're gonna go over here and get on it.
For those of you in line waiting to board a snowmobile,
Ooh. Holy penguins. Okay, this is cool. Wow. Oh, it's all like a little launch. Okay. Oh. Oh. There goes Manta! Oh, oh, airtime! Kind of. Oh, 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 second launch! Oh. Whoa! Oh, it's a cool family coaster. Oh. All right. So the line for Penguin Track actually ends right here with penguins everywhere. It's freezing cold. I would love to get on Journey to Atlantis here. Absolutely would have loved to. However, I don't want wet shoes before Halloween Horror Nights, and I'm looking at 30,000 steps today. So we're gonna hold off on this one. At least we'll maybe watch one come down. There's Manta. I have a love-hate relationship for Manta. So you can't come to SeaWorld without getting the iconic shot right here. If you have not been on Manta before, highly recommend it. This ride will suck the soul right out of your body. Usually I'll wait till the end of the day to get on Manta because it's just that rough. The older I get, the harder it is to ride a Manta. But it is by far the prettiest ride in Florida. So we just got off Manta. However, unfortunately, we can't record on that, at least not with this camera. And to be honest, I'm glad that we can't because I don't know if this camera would have actually made it because the forces are so crazy on it. It's nuts. The pretzel loop is like one of the craziest elements I've ever been on. And I've been on tons and tons of coasters. It's always good to carry out your own bottle of water here. So that way you don't have to worry about buying stuff. But this area is so deceiving because it's like 95 degrees out right now and it's just all ice. The penguin exhibit offers such a nice little cool off too once you get through there. Oh, something smells good. It smells like Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Sometimes like I'm in the mood for like the best pizza in the world. Other times I'm in the mood for that like 99-cent pizza you get from the grocery store. You could eat, and I could just eat like 6 of those. If Kraken's actually opened, it's gonna be a first for me because almost every time I'm here, Kraken is not operating. Oh, there it goes, there she goes. All right, it's Kraken time. I've only been on this thing maybe twice in my life, and it's probably been 4 or 5 years since I've been on. So this almost like feels like a new coaster to me. Oh, how pretty. How pretty up here. There we go. There she is, Mako, tallest coaster in Florida. If ever I get to the age where I can't walk anymore, I'm gonna make one of these my wheelchair. There we go. Machine, man. Oh, Mako's an airtime machine. Mako never disappoints. One of the best rides in Florida, without a doubt. Infinity Falls. So next we're going to be going over to Icebreaker. Icebreaker's a nice little family launch coaster. For a small park like SeaWorld, it's pretty good. I say small park, but it seems like they have some of the best events ever here, but it always seems empty to me. It always seems like there's not a lot of people here, but it's probably because of the fact that it's so spread out here. It says 5, but that's not 5. Line for Icebreaker sucks. We are not getting on this one. Wow, look at that thing. That thing like made of wood. All right, so we're gonna head over to Surf Coaster next. It's almost 1 o'clock right now, so it gives us enough time to just relax a little bit before we get over to Halloween Horror Nights, which I'm really excited about. There it is, a stand-up coaster that is actually worth getting on. This is a Pipeline Surf Coaster right here. It's really cool because the seats move up and down with you, so it's like your entire body's floating in the air. well, that's SeaWorld. It was a good time here. I was really happy with the way the footage turned out and will definitely be using this camera again in the future. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe.